In this video, we are going to talk about the Haryana's expert committee led by former IAS officer P. Raghavendra Rao on Stilt plus 4 floors. So, what are its recommendations and what is Stilt plus 4? So, according to the Stilt plus 4 policy, uh, builders were allowed to buy plots, residential plots, build 4 floors on it along with the stilt parking facility and sell each floor separately with the owner having exclusive jurisdiction rights over each floor. This policy has been opposed by certain sections of the society. So, since the notification, over 1700 approvals for S plus 4 buildings have been given, 550 have collected occupation certificates. Construction of nearly 1100 high rise buildings is underway in the city. Now, what are the key recommendations by the report? The report permits the construction of S plus 4 floors in new sectors where infrastructure can support a density of 18 persons per plot. So, earlier the argument by various stakeholders was that the infrastructure is not adequate. So, this is where the committee has come in and said that in new sectors where infrastructure is adequate and it can support a density of 18 persons per plot, the Stilt plus 4 should be given approvals. In existing sectors, it restricts S plus 4 construction to specific blocks with wider roads and potential for infrastructure improvement. So, blocks with wider roads and potential where infrastructure can be improved should be allowed for Stilt plus 4. The committee suggests conducting infrastructure capacity audits in these sectors, evaluating services like drainage and water supply. The Deputy Commissioner has been authorized to approve such construction in existing sectors based on verified audit reports. The report also emphasized constructing independent buildings for S plus 4 to avoid overloading the common walls of adjoining houses. So, what was the problem was that the common walls of adjoining houses were not capable to support Stilt plus 4 buildings. So, now the committee has come up with an independent building where they don't share the burden on the common wall. Now, what are the arguments by certain stakeholders? Now, residents argue that while the report suggests a prerequisite of 12-meter road for new S plus 4 construction, the majority of existing permissions have been granted for narrower roads ranging from 9 to 10 meters wide. Residents express doubt about the feasibility of expanding roads when parks or schools occupy the area, highlighting the limited scope for road width augmentation in most existing sites. Many stakeholders have cautioned against accepting the report, citing the impracticality of the proposed infrastructure audit and augmentation. Now, Army Chief General VP Malik, though has welcomed the report and termed it encouraging, has said that it still needs to be probed that why the bureaucracy was permitting violations in connection with construction. Why is the bureaucracy permitting violations in light of the observations given by the Office of Accountant General, which mentions that floor-wise apartmentalization was permitted in the state in contravention of statutory provisions of the Apartment Act? So he is saying that if it is in contravention of the Apartment Act, then why is it being permitted? So this was it about the committee recommendations, guys. Hope you found this video informative. See you in the next video.